Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and freeing space. This saves time. Use Boot Camp Assistant to create installation media or load the ISO directly if your Mac supports it. Once done, back up with Time Machine so you can restore if something goes wrong. Make sure your macOS is fully updated to avoid driver conflicts. Start Boot Camp Assistant now and follow prompts to choose the ISO, allocate the Windows partition size, and prepare the USB installer if requested. You'll now perform the core installation steps. Proceed carefully. Boot Camp creates the partition, then the Mac reboots into the Windows installer. Format the Boot Camp volume as NTFS when prompted so Windows can install. Follow the Windows 10 prompts to set region, account, and preferences. Once Windows copies files and reboots, avoid interrupting power or unplugging the USB. After setup, Boot Camp will launch the driver installer. Allow it to install Apple drivers and reboot when it finishes to ensure full. You finish by installing Boot Camp drivers and running Windows Update to get firmware and driver fixes. This stabilizes trackpad, keyboard, and GPU. Make sure you install your apps and antivirus, then set your default OS in macOS System Preferences or Boot Camp icon. If something goes wrong, try reinstalling Boot Camp drivers from the USB, run Device Manager to update drivers, or reset NVRAM/PRAM on the Mac. If Boot Camp won't start, recreate the USB installer and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.